Hello lovely people, welcome back to another helpful video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove background from your picture in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to remove the background from your photo in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application at first, and after opening the Canva application, tap to this plus icon, and from there go to your medias and select the media from which you want to remove the background, and simply select the picture from which you want to remove the background. Now just simply click into this use in a new design option, and after that this page will be opened up. It will take a while to load your picture, and after loading your picture, it will give you this option of background remover. Now, in order to remove background, you have to get premium version of Canva. In order to do that, click into this premium option, and now you can try Canva for free for the 14 days. And after starting your free trial, you can easily remove your background in Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.